Okay, so we've got our basic structure sorted, and on a listen back, one of the things I noticed was that the main riff just wasn't really sounding how I'd like it. I want to sort of make it a bit bigger and sort of trancier sound. It's a bit thin sounding at the minute. So what I'm going to do is just layer it up, and I'm going to create an extra 2 layers, and then I'll group them all together. And what I'm going to do, I'll take the reverb off the individual channels and put it on the main channel, and I'll do the same with the delay. So what I'm going to do is just drag one of the delays on, and then I can delete these other ones. And we can do the same with the sidechain compressor. So we'll drag the sidechain compression onto the group, and then I can take it off the individual channels. And then what I'm going to do is go into our Silent, and I just want to sort of create a bit of movement. So I'm going to use a phaser, and I'm going to turn down the LFO gain and rate. And then I'm going to do the same with this other channel, and I'm going to pan these left and right. And what this will do is just sort of give a bit of movement in the stereo spread as well. There we go. That's the sort of main lead sound a bit better, and we'll just have a listen to it in the track. Just going to remove a bit of the EQ from the channel here. Just have a bit more sort of really high-end EQ as opposed to that mid EQ, because it seems to be sort of muddying up our sound a bit. Going to add a tiny bit more wetness to our delay as well. There we go. We've got a sort of slightly less harsh, smoother, silkier sound. And we'll play it in our track and see what it sounds like. And I want a bit more sort of mid in that, and I think it's maybe the overdrive that's taken away from that. So I'm going to take it off and just see what we have. It's just making it slightly harsh. There we go, it's sounding much better. We've got sort of a nicer, smoother, silkier, sort of more trancey sound. Okay, so that's it for this part. In the next part, we're going to be looking at rejigging the vocals, doing some tuning on those, and then sort of working with our arrangement.